Oh, hey!
Oh, hey! I didn't see you there. You want to know my name? My name's Hannah Engelke. I go to school at AltaAurelia.
Oh, hey! I'm Allie Held, and I am a junior at AltaAurelia.
Oh, hey, didn't see you there. How you doing? My name's Callum Bell, and I'm a senior at AltaAurelia High School. Today we're going to learn about water.
Oh my God! Do you see that?
Who is that?
It's Justin Bieber! Hey, what are you doing, Justin?
Oh, you know, just practicing my new single.
Can I interview you?
Oh, sure.
Okay. So, guys, this is my friend Justin Bieber, and I have a few questions about water. How does your dam help our environment, Justin?
My dam helps to purify your water.
And how exactly does it purify our water?
Well, you see, my dam filters the silt from the water bodies in which they live. This increases water purity and decreases the need for filtration systems.
How long does it take to build your dam?
Oh, you know, it could take me anywhere between 2 or 3 nights, depending on how hard and fast I work.
What do you make your dam out of?
Well, my dam can be constructed out of twigs, limbs, grass, brushes, mud, etc. Anything available, I'll use.
Thank you, Justin. Nice to meet you. So, I don't really think Justin Bieber helped us out too much.
Yeah, he didn't really give us too much good information on that.
No.
What should we
ideas?
do? Oh, what about the Storm Lake wastewater plant?
Good idea!
Okay, so Justin Bieber didn't really work out, so we're going to head on over to the Storm Lake water treatment plant and get some answers. So let's go on inside.
Backwash. You can see the lime sitting on top of the anthracite there. Once this is backwashed out, it will be black, and all this lime will be gone. We turn on 3 of those big high service pumps and reverse the water back into here. It bubbles it up. And the lime is the finest, so it rises the quickest and bubbles out and goes back to one that is at the smaller round tank outside. And then we just bring it back in through the headworks of the plant. We reuse all the water, treat it, and send it out to the system. This one's got backwash valve. That's just the black anthracite there. It's like gold pretty much. There's sand underneath that. Water in here, so it's down through there. And this is pretty long. I'm Jacob Stewart, project manager.
Alright, what is it that you do in your job?
My job as project manager is a lot of reports, especially for the DNR, a lot of reports to the city on how the plant's operating and then how we're meeting all the limits that's set by the EPA and the DNR. And then a lot of planning with the city with the capital improvement projects and what's going to happen in the future and what we need.
Okay, cool. How does that help our water? Like, how does what you do help our water?
What we do here at the plant is the water, we get a lot of deep well water which is full of heavy metals and stuff like that. So we remove all that in that first contact basin there. And then we remove ammonia and stuff and other elements like that. And then we add chlorine to the water as it's leaving the plant also, just to help clean the distribution system and keep the water safe.
Mm-hmm. And so can you explain a little more how that helps our environment?
That helps the environment just in general with everybody, so it keeps the water safe and people aren't catching diseases.
What kind of skills do you need for this job? Like, do you need a college education, anything like that?
Well, how the DNR does it is there's 4 grades You can take a grade 1, it's like after a year and so many CEUs. But now they've changed it in this last year where to get a grade 4 you have to have 5 years experience in the industry and a college degree, 4-year degree.
How many hours do you work a week?
Me personally, it's anywhere between probably 50 and 60.
And again, what happens to the wastewater?
The wastewater here, there's not much. We have a little bit that we do because we have to add some extra chemicals to do some certain tests in the lab here. So there's not much there, but anything we use to clean in here, like the backwash that I was explaining earlier, stuff like that, it all gets recycled and sent back through the headworks of the plant, reused.
Alright, could you explain what would happen if we didn't purify our drinking water?
There would probably be, disease would be a problem just because we have such a mass distribution system that things grow in the pipes. And then there would be a lot of issues like nitrates and stuff in the water also, which causes that blue baby syndrome, if you've heard of that. And then there's also heavy metals and stuff in the water we currently use here, so
Okay.
issues with that. Aggressive water.
What all do you remove from our water?
Mostly here we remove the biggest problems we have pretty good wells. We remove a lot of heavy metals, and that's required by the Denali Watch, the iron and magnesium. And then we remove ammonia. And then the lime that we add, we remove that after we add it. And then any microorganisms is treated with the chlorine.
Alright, well that's all we have here for you today. It was really nice meeting you.
So these tanks here, what they're used for is when they're done treating all the water and everything, they get all the heavy metals out and everything. They store them in here, and then after they're stored in here, then they go to the water tower. But they need to be here first because you can't just put all the water out into the water tower.
So today we learned a lot about water, and that got me thinking that everyone should pursue a career in water.
Water. Water. Water.
Water. It's water.
God, I'm parched.
That sucks.
I need some water.